Hello guys, this is Salik Abdul Rahman and in this video I'm gonna show you why gravity form is the best form in the world in the WordPress world. Alright, so the reason behind this gravity form offer us condition logic. So what is condition logic? This is the form I already created. Let me show you how condition logic is work. Okay, in the third question you can see these five questions is created on radio button. Here's that. And the first one is single line text. Okay, in radio button, you can choose only one answer like yes or no. You can't choose both. Okay, in the third question, go to the last option, condition logic, click on that, enable it, and you need to see what is the second question. Have you ever shopped online in the last month? In the first field, choose that option. Have you ever shopped online in the last month? Is empty? No. When you wanna show that question, if the user click on yes, okay, and just save it. And let's preview it. Okay, so in there are five questions. Now you can see these are four questions. We put the condition logic on third field, but if the second field works, okay, if we click on no, there is nothing appear down there. Okay. If you click on yes, this question will appear. So we put the condition logic on that. All right. This is how condition logic work. So that's why this is the best form in the WordPress world. And if you wanna get this plugin, I will share the download link in the description of this video. Okay, see you. Take care. Bye bye.